In today's video, we're taking a quick look at the Philips Hue Secure Smart Contact Sensor. If you've been thinking about adding one to your smart home setup, here's everything you need to know. So first off, what is it? It's a little sensor you can stick on doors, windows, cabinets, basically anything that opens and closes. Its main job is to detect when those things are opened or shut, and then either send you an alert or trigger some kind of smart home action. Installation's super straightforward. It comes with adhesive backing or screws, and the Hue app walks you through the setup. Just a heads up, you do need a Hue bridge to get it working. Once it's connected, you can do things like turn on lights when a door opens, get alerts if something opens unexpectedly, or automate routines when you leave the house. In terms of compatibility, it works great with the Philips Hue ecosystem, and it plays nicely with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Thanks to Matter support, it's more flexible across platforms too. But it doesn't work directly with stuff like Ring or Nest, so if that's what you're using for security, it might not be the best fit. Battery-wise, it uses a CR2 battery and lasts up to 2 years, so you can pretty much set it and forget it. So should you buy it? This sensor's a great pick if you're already using Philips Hue and want to add a bit of smart security or automation to your home. It's clean, reliable, and does exactly what it's supposed to. But if you're deep into another ecosystem like Ring or Nest, or don't want to buy the Hue bridge, it might not be the right choice for you.